Ever feel like your hair's thinning or notice more strands on your pillow than usual? You're not alone. The average person loses about 100 hairs a day, but what if I told you that your daily habits are secretly making things worse? Yep, simple actions you think are harmless could be speeding up your hair loss. Let's dive into the habits you need to stop today and how to fix them. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're exposing 5 common habits that are quietly sabotaging your hair. Whether you're dealing with thinning, breakage, or just some seriously frizzy locks, this video is going to show you how to give your hair the love it deserves. So, let's get started. First key point: night habits. Okay, let's talk about how you treat your hair at night. You ever sleep with wet hair? I know, it feels good to skip the blow dry, but trust me, it's not doing your hair any favors. When your hair's wet, it's like super fragile. The friction from your pillow can break your strands and cause split ends. The fix? Dry your hair completely before bed, or better yet, invest in a silk pillowcase. It's like a mini spa treatment for your hair. Less friction, less breakage. Second key point: using the right hair oils. Next up, hair oils. Not all oils are created equal, you guys. Some oils can actually clog your hair follicles and slow down growth. So, how do you pick the right one? Look for oils like rosemary, which has been shown to work just as well as minoxidil for regrowth. A few drops, massaged into your scalp, can boost circulation and help your hair grow thicker and healthier. Third key point: drying your hair the right way. Let's talk drying. Rubbing your hair with a towel after a shower is one of the biggest mistakes I see people make. Seriously, the rough friction can cause breakage. Instead, gently pat your hair dry with a microfiber towel or just let it air dry. Treat your hair like the delicate treasure it is, and you'll see less breakage over time. Fourth key point: stop using harsh shampoos. Okay, shampoo. If your go-to is full of sulfates, you need to toss it ASAP. Harsh chemicals strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Swap it for a sulfate-free option, and your hair will thank you. Trust me, less frizz, fewer breakages, and it'll be easier to manage. Fifth key point: nutrition for hair health. And finally, your diet. You can use all the fancy oils and shampoos in the world, but if you're not feeding your hair the right nutrients, it's not going to grow to its full potential. Foods rich in protein, biotin, and omega-3s are a must. Incorporate more of these into your meals and watch your hair get stronger and shinier. You are what you eat, so make sure your hair is getting its share of the good stuff. There you have it, 5 habits that are secretly ruining your hair and how to stop them. Start making these changes today, and you'll start seeing results in no time. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and leave a comment below with your favorite hair care hacks. You've got this. Your hair's about to level up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your hair, and it'll take care of you.